Hi, I have a special guest today. Live with me is my daughter, amazing Emma. She's on her way to work her new job at Capitol Grill here in Naples. Congratulations, she's a hostess. And so I want to take this opportunity since I had her. She just started and she needed to wear some dresses that she did a little more conservative, a little more like my style. And so she's borrowing a couple of my dresses for the first few days. And, you know, as you all know, I like to wear comfortable clothes. And obviously that's why I created Cinch It, to make things fit better. So I was just helping her with this dress today. And when I cinched it, it looked so extra cute that I said, Emma, can we please do a live so I can show you how cute it is? So anyway, show the dress and just show kind of how big it is. I'm just showing. I'm going to use the big Cinch It in both pink and clear that you can get at thecinchit.com. But anyway, so what I decided to do with this first, let's do the back. So if you look at all this extra fabric, and this is what you do, is we need to take some fabric in just to enhance her waist. And a lot of fabric, let's show you. That's a lot of fabric to take in this dress. So I'm going to do it in the back first just to show you. So I kind of go to the middle of the back, and here, hold this one. And basically, I know it's going to look good there. It's kind of like the small of her back is where I'm going. And you just go on the inside where the fabric is, and then right in the middle, I'm poking the fabric through, and I'm pulling. And I'm pulling a lot through because there's a lot of fabric. And this, look how pretty that looks already. You could pull a little bit out if you wanted to. There, I did. And now it looks really pretty in the back, and it fits her a lot better in the front. It's so cute. I mean, I'm like, you gotta wear, people are gonna ask her at Capitol Grill, honey, where'd you get that dress? And you're gonna say, it's my mom's Cinch It. It's my mom's dress, my mom's Cinch It. Some dresses come that way with a little cinch on the side. So what you can do is you just go in, and I'm keeping the one in the back just for the heck of it. And I'm on the, about at her waistline. I'm poking the fabric through. You're a great model. I'm pulling a lot through. Yeah, that looks better. And so now it enhances her waist. It actually looks like the dress was made that way, and it adds a little more style to the dress rather than just being, you know, it's basically like t-shirt material. So it looks adorable, a little more stylish, and I appreciate that Emma decided to go live with me today. We don't do this very often because she's always so busy or doesn't want to do the mom Cinch It thing. So I appreciate it, but I just had to. It's amazing transformation. So go to thecinchit.com, get yourself a Cinch It, get one for all your friends.